For problem 59, we are looking at a coordinate plane and trying to graph what the area of a circle. Well, area is pi r squared, and simply trying some values out. When r is 1, a equals pi. When I put 2 in there, I get 4 pi. When I get 3 in there, I get 9 pi. And if you start to compare all of our options, answer A is our most likely way the graph is going to go up and increase exponentially. So A is correct for 59. And finally, the last one, number 60. 60, there's a concept called synthetic division that you'd have to identify. We take the terms here and write down the leading coefficients of 2, -9, 16, and -12. Since they tell you one of the roots is 2, I place that 2 here. And the process for synthetic division is to first bring down that 2, then I times this 2 and this 2 to get 4. Then I combine -9 and 4 to get the -5. And then I do that process again. -5 times 2 is -10. Combine that to get a +6. Do that process again. 6 times 2 is 12. Combine those to get 0. So that process then gives us a new trinomial of 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. And to find those other roots, you would use the quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of b over 2a, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And if you'll notice, I take what's underneath the radical over here, and I get the square root of -23, which means I'm going to have a I taken out for imaginary, because we can't have a negative underneath the radical, so that simplifies to be I radical 23. Putting it all together, we get letter J for our answer.